I'm Amrita SS. I'm from Kerala. I graduated from College of Engineering Trivandrum in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. In college, we had like so many subjects, and all we do is we study, but we don't know why we are studying all these things. But at Emertxe, we have a goal. We know why we are studying this, and even before they start a module, first day they explain why we have to study this. So that's different, and here we get hands-on experience on projects. I have completed 8 projects at Emertxe. Right after my SING module itself, I have gotten instruction towards how to prepare for interviews, get placed in a good company. Even though I have only completed one module, from then only I have been preparing to get selected in a company. I have attended one interview before this. Now when I got placed in LGSA, the interview process was there was first MCQ round, then a programming round, and 2 technical interview rounds. My overall journey, I had no clue I liked this field so much. Only after coming here and learning everything from the foundation, I got to know that I love this field and I am trying to build a career in it. So that's my overall journey. I would say learn every day and practice every day, and don't take it back for to do like tomorrow or after completing the module. I learned then. Don't think like that. Study every day, practice every day.
Myself Raju, I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation from Annamacharya Engineering College, which is located at Tirupati. I am from ECE background. During college, we can get only theoretical knowledge, but here we can get practical knowledge, which will help to get placed in a company. I have completed 8 projects, which are helped me to gain practical knowledge. Through that, we can crack company interviews easily. I got selected in my 20th interview. So I suggest you to be focused and stay motivated to achieve your goals. It's 4 rounds process. First written test, then coding, then L1 and L2 interview. They will ask whatever you kept in resume, they will ask in detail. This helps me to get job. Before, I don't know how to write a single line of code also. The mentors also helped me to place. People who are looking for embedded systems course, I suggest you to take a course from Emertxe itself.
Put your efforts, one day you'll get the results like we did.